The innovative design of the combined oil separator uses 3 separation stages in order to dramatically reduce oil carryover in ammonia refrigeration systems. Refrigeration oil is primarily separated in the first separation stage, thanks to centrifugal and gravity principles, which ensure the maximum performance at both nominal and partial load. A second separation action then takes place in the demister section. Finally, a group of highly efficient coalescent filters provides the last step of oil separation. Thanks to multi-step separation, the oil separator ensures outstanding separation efficiency. With a tested final oil carryover rate below 10 ppm, the oil separator ensures optimal compressor operation and minimum oil consumption. Optimized oil charge amounts and a service flange for simple filter replacement round off the benefits of the OAHC Oil Separator.